I don't really know how to do this whole prayer thing. It never seems like I'm doing it right, because I'm the only one doing most of the talking. Are you home? No, don't answer that. It was dumb. It's just, I'm just so tired. I brought a few things with me today. Well, this one's doubt, self-doubt, faith doubt. I'm like this person who wants to believe, but I just need a little bit of proof. And, well, this one is questions. You know them. Will it be my job today? If not today, what about tomorrow? How do I make all my loose ends fit together? You said that if I gave these things to you, you would take them from me. Is that true? Is it really true? One question just leads right to another. Ooh. This one is regret. Notice the size, the color, wear and tear. This one is full of all the things I just never should have done. The words that broke and cracked relationships. What are you gonna do with all of that? All of my regret. The would haves, could haves, should haves, if only this, if only that. If onlys. And this one. Well, this one is the lost things. The lost items. Hopes. Dreams. Myself. I want them back. So, do I just leave all of this here with you, or do I just take it myself?
If you never take the chance to pray, I'm gonna know if you're gonna answer. Is there something that you wanna say? Do you wanna keep me from some disaster? I wanna make a wager of faith. I wanna put my trust on the line. So I'm gonna open the door and pour my heart out to you. What if I open up, tell you everything that's on my mind? How can I know for sure that you're gonna give me a reply? What if I let it fly? Open up the lines of communication. Will there be miracles? Am I gonna find you been here all the time? I'm all the time.
I don't even know how to pray. I don't know how to say it.
Say it right.
You already know.
About the punctuations. Nothing's gonna be busy.
Do you see me?
You already know about my situation.
I'm out here.
I wanna make a wager of faith. I wanna put
I'm
my heart
praying.
on the line. So I'm gonna let my knees hit the floor. And
I
pour
pour
my
my heart out to you. Sometimes I get mad. I get really mad, and I doubt, and I cry, and I don't believe. Are you big enough? Can I trust you? I don't know how to let go. I've been holding on so tight for so long. To jump when I'm scared of midair. Are you gonna catch me?
If I'm really gonna talk to you, if I open up my soul and I tell you how I'm feeling, are you really gonna answer me? Are you gonna show me something I'll be able to believe in?
Are you gonna show me something?
But I'm gonna take a risk and I gotta have a reason. Am I really gonna hear from you? Are you gonna show me something I'll be
trying
able
to
to
put you
believe
in
in?
a trap.
I wanna make a wager.
Are you gonna show me
I wanna put myself
anything?
on the line. So I'm gonna open the door and pour my heart
touch your hands and see your hands, and then I could believe. You know, I think I'm just gonna leave all of this here with you. I don't know how to move without it, but I don't want to move without you. All this time, I've been waiting for a helicopter rescue, but I'm gonna wait here for you, and however you come.